Hello, so today you find us traveling through beautiful Laos, which is a lovely country in Southeast Asia. Laos is really interesting because it's a landlocked country, which means that it has no ports or access to the sea. And today you find us dining at a lovely restaurant called Manda de Laos. This is a fascinating restaurant because it's home to one of the few known UNESCO ponds. So a UNESCO classified pond is a pond that has been recognized for its architectural and cultural value to a particular area. Now you might ask what the connection to Sri Lanka is in this pond. Well, this pond and the entire restaurant complex reminds me of Tropical Modernism, which is a style of architecture pioneered by a Sri Lankan architect known as Geoffrey Bawa, amongst other people. So Tropical Modernism is fascinating because it's actually an architectural style that was developed for the tropics or places like Sri Lanka. It incorporates elements of natural materials and concepts like natural ventilation, like how the restaurant here is seen to be ventilated naturally and not using artificial air conditioning or fans. Tropical Modernism also includes the use of local materials, like the wood used here in these pontoons, furniture styles, and the use of natural lighting and open spaces, like you see here. These ponds also have lots of fish and other animals living in it, which add to the natural sense of this environment. The goal of Tropical Modernism is to connect the modern world and architecture and modern materials like we see here with the essence of the natural world like we see here in the pond. The idea is that both concepts come together in a harmonious manner, which then allows the person experiencing the architectural elements to also feel connected to nature while they engage in activities, in this case dining. So the next time you travel through a beautiful tropical country like Laos, consider whether some of the architecture you see has elements of tropical modernism in it, or whether you can see what kind of architecture influenced tropical modernism in Sri Lanka and in the brilliant architects of Sri Lanka like Geoffrey Bawa, who pioneered that discipline of architecture. Thank you very much for watching.